Hello again, I'm Dave, and this is
Aleena.
We hope you're having a nice day. We felt a little bit cooped up inside today because it's been kind of windy here. But yesterday, we promised you that today we would feed a
Echo.
puppy. And the puppy's name is?
Echo.
Tell us what kind of puppy Echo is.
She's a German Shepherd crossed with a Belgian Malinois.
And German Shepherds crossed with Belgian Malinois make really good police dogs.
Her father was a police dog.
Her father was a police dog, and they make really good military dogs. And today we're going to show you what Echo looks like when she's happily wolfing down some snacks. Aleena, should we give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the snacks. Here they are. Let's see if we can get a good video.
All right.
What's that?
You ready?
Nothing could be tastier than those snacks. Okay, and now for the big one. Oh, you found a few more. Better give her the big one. What do you think Echo's thinking about all that?
More.
Delicious. Okay. Thanks, Echo.
Come here, girl.
Okay, well, what do you think? What kind of an animal do you think we should feed tomorrow?
A rabbit.
I think we're going to feed a rabbit tomorrow. Okay, that sounds good. All right, well, everybody, have a nice night. Bye-bye.